Hey there, garden friends. Have you ever planted something in the wrong spot and wondered why it didn't grow well? Or maybe you ran out of space because you didn't plan ahead? Well, today we're solving that problem. We're going to map out our garden layout for spring, step by step, so you can have the most amazing, productive and beautiful garden ever. And don't worry, this is so easy that even a 6-year-old can do it. So grab a paper, a pencil and maybe some crayons, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about your garden space. Whether you have a big backyard, a small raised bed, or even just pots on a balcony, planning is key. Now write down anything that won't move, like fences, pathways, or big trees. These help you see what space you actually have for planting. Now comes the fun part, choosing what to plant and where. Different plants have different needs, so let's match them with the best spots in your garden. Group plants by their needs. That means putting the sun lovers in the sunniest spots and the shade-tolerant ones where they won't get cooked. Some plants are garden best friends. They help each other grow better, like tomatoes and basil. Basil helps keep pests away from tomatoes, and carrots and onions, they help each other fight off bugs. Now don't forget to leave space for walking. You'll need paths so you can reach your plants without stepping on them. A good rule, leave at least 18 inches between rows so you can walk through easily. Alright, now that our map is ready, let's make sure we're fully prepared. Here are 3 final things to check before planting day, and just like that, your garden layout is ready. With a solid plan, you'll have an easier time planting, watering and harvesting all season long. So go, grab your seeds and get ready for an amazing spring garden. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more gardening tips and share your garden plans in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're growing this year. Until next time, happy gardening.